Hey, bookkeepers, are you just getting started and excited to dive into the world of QuickBooks Online for accountants, aka QBOA? Or maybe you're a QuickBooks desktop expert being dragged kicking and screaming into the modern age. Well, no matter which category you fall into, I've got the perfect course for you. Discover the magic of QBOA, the QuickBooks Online version designed especially for ProAdvisors. Whether you're already on board with QBO or just testing the waters, our course has all the answers, even to questions you didn't know you had. QBO is packed with features not in the desktop version. Struggling with the new interface? No worries. We'll guide you to find your go-to tools and showcase time-saving tricks. We'll dive deep into your free ProAdvisor perks like practice management tools, software discounts, a work center for task lists, and how to share documents with your clients. We'll unlock backdoor shortcuts, master the banking feed, and check out features that you won't find on desktop. In fact, I've been known to convert even the most reluctant diehard QBDT lovers, like Jeff Weathers, who now prefers QBO over desktop and credits this course with skyrocketing his bookkeeping firm to 7 figures. By the end of our 3 hours together, you'll navigate QBOA like a pro, streamline your data entry, manage your clients effortlessly, and make more money for less work. Ready to up your accounting game? Dive in and let's master QBOA the easy way. Click that enroll button now, and I will see you in class.